lights up it's a modern. Shouting for that nitro altered, he's hauling.
Ladies and gentlemen, hot rodders and horsepower fanatics, gather around. It's Kellen Nitro here coming at you with the hottest new way to back Nitromaniac TV's drag files. Step right up to Members Only, the official preview content headquarters of the website. For just $5.99 a month, you get exclusive videos, early access to every week's fresh burning content, and brother, it's all commercial free. But wait, there's more. You'll also score an exclusive discount code for the merch stand, members only live streams, and a whole lot more high-octane action headed your way down to Quarter Mile. This is my way of saying thank you for riding shotgun with drag files and keeping the fire burning. And if you sign up right now, hold on to your hats because you'll get exclusive access to the 6K subscriber special, the 2025 NHRA Rocky Mountain Nationals whole freaking deal video. Plus, an early cut of our yearly crowd favorite, Super Cut. Pro Modified 2026. Friends, you'll never know what wild rides, nitro madness, and tire smoking insanity you're going to see inside members only. So don't delay. Jump in today and join the club that keeps the cams rolling and the engines thundering. Check it out now at tinyurl.com/dragfile.